Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 460 Stone Road in Pittsford.
This spectacular property has been beautifully updated and is situated on over half an acre.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Greet your family and friends with this front covered porch leading to this impressive two-story foyer that opens to the spacious light and bright living room. And on the other side of the foyer, an entertainment-sized dining room.
This white and bright eat-in kitchen is perfect for entertaining. With beautiful cabinetry, a center island, and a sliding glass door to the deck. A marvelous family room with beautiful floors and a fireplace with built-ins. Plus a vaulted ceiling sunroom with a wall of windows and deck access. All with a convenient first floor laundry and powder room.
The first floor has an exceptional and private owner suite with a cathedral ceiling and backyard views. Great for visiting guests too. The upstairs features 4 additional spacious bedrooms, all with hardwood floors and 2 baths, including this private primary suite with a walk-in closet and a full bath. The quality craftsmanship is evident in all the details in this architect-designed home.
Enjoy scenic views from this expansive deck overlooking the sprawling backyard, perfect for all your outdoor activities.
This Stone Road community has a great location on a private drive with easy and short distance to the University of Rochester and Strong Medical. Here we are in Showen Place in the village of Pittsford.
Pittsford is known for its fabulous restaurants, great shops, and specialty boutiques. Situated on the historic Erie Canal, great for a walk, kayak ride, or boat ride. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 460 Stone Road in Pittsford.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!